Hello, today I have Samsung Tab 510. So some people ask where I heat up my stuff. So this is the pad what I'm using. It goes to 90 and then I can shut down. But I did 82, which is enough for that iPad tablet. So this tablet has a glass and a screen together, which is called assembly. So very carefully remove this whole assembly, because you'll find the right underneath there is a connector, which is a long connector going on towards the screen. So just peel off this green tape, and here is a connector. You can lift it and you can just take out this connector, but carefully. And this is the one more piece you need to remove from the old display, which is a digitizer connector, I think. And this is a new screen which has display and the digitizer. So let's open it and let's put that thing. This is the main screen, and let's put that thing in there. So after taping and after cleaning up everything, so I just cut the video. So I installed the small piece also. Now I'm just connecting the main connector. So make sure it will go inside and you can just lock it. So let's try to turn on and let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's turning on. It shows the Tab A, Samsung Tab A. So let's see the touch is working before go for the final steps. Yeah, the touch is working and is giving nice display. So hopefully everything is good. So after removing the tape, so I'm just putting aligning it back. So yeah, that's easy. It took time, but I just cut the steps. Not to cut the step, I just cut unnecessary step. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.